My name is Armando.
My name is Mel.
Italian. I'm a film director.
I'm from Montana in the United States, and I'm a writer, and I also do restoration of photos digitally.
I think we can call ourselves new nomads because since 2012 we live in this very Jamaican blue VW camper van.
I'd say we're old nomads because we aren't so young anymore.
Not so young, but we managed to change our life, start to travel full time and working online.
And we have used our work online to sustain ourselves in our travels.
So 10 years of working online, and of course when you work online, one of the most important things is
a little bit of Wi-Fi.
And the problem was that every time, every country we visit, we have to go to find a new SIM card, check all the possibilities.
Price check, and also we had a collection of SIM cards.
Yeah, we got probably more than 100.
Yep.
And now in 2022, we're done with this problem. We have a router that we rent and we pay monthly and give us access to more than 130 countries in the world. For us, it's great. I mean,
well, it takes away the headache of chasing around and paying so many different prices and having so many different providers instead of just like
one shop,
easy.
One stop.
Yeah, exactly.
So at the end, for people like us, it's really a great choice to save time and get connected from pretty much every place where we park. And sometimes we park in really remote place.
Sometimes we do.
But that's how we love
living our lives.